Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you're not new, welcome. If you're new, please join the family. Make sure you hit the subscription button below so that you get to be part of the gang. My name is Nyasha, also known as WeNyasha, the boss babe, and I'm so excited to have you on my channel. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys the basic things that you need for hairstyling on your new natural hair care journey. I know styling is really something that gives you a headache, especially because you can't take off your natural hair. The only other thing you can do is style it differently, or probably get a wig, or have some braids, or just try something different. But if it's just your hair with nothing else on it, you gotta have some things to zhuzh it up to help you style your hair. So that's what this video is all about. So if you want to watch it, please tune in. So first things first, what you need is a wide tooth comb or a detangling brush. I rarely use combs when doing my hair, so I prefer just using this wide tooth comb here whenever I need to, but never to run through my hair. I use my fingers to detangle my hair whenever I need to. Next thing is you need scrunches. I got these in OK supermarket. They're going for $2 for a pack of 12, which I think was quite reasonable compared to the other stores that I'd visited. So you need a pair or a set of scrunches, small scrunches, maybe to hold down your hair, or tight like the style that I have. So you might need this, or even when washing your hair, you can section your hair and then tie in scrunches, especially if your hair is still short. You can tie using scrunches. I don't know what these pins are called, but they're just hair pins. I don't know if they have like a specific name, but then I got these. They were going for I think 50 cents a pack of 12. You need this probably for just adding a little something to your hair, not that they do anything really, but then I use the black ones especially to hold down my hair whenever I'm styling, but then I use the colorful ones just to add something nice to my hair, more like a flower. If you can see the way I used the ones that I had, the pink ones, then that's it. You also need a styling brush. Yeah, this one is an old toothbrush that I use. I just use it to lay down my edges, which I rarely do. I don't really like that, since I'm trying to recover my edges. I just lay down using my fingers. But then for those of you who like laying down edges, you can use an old toothbrush or an edge brush. They are there. You use an edge brush to lay down your hairs and all that to make it look nicer and neat. And then probably you need this a tail comb when opening lines, so that your lines are straight, and also, who knows, maybe for scratching your scalp, I don't know. But yeah, you also need to have a styling band for your hair whenever you do probably updos or something like this, where you need to properly lay your hair down. I don't really have an edge controller at the moment, so I use my satin dock here. I use this. I just fold it into something like this. I fold it like this into half, then another half, then another half. Then from there, I can lay it straight on my hair and then tie it at the back, so that I lay down my hair. Something that is very useful for someone who uses styling gel, or if you don't like using styling gel like me, I really use styling gel. This is very helpful and you will find it so cool. This is my husband's hairbrush, but then I just use it here and there whenever I really want to comb my hair. Remember, I don't want to disturb my hairline, so I don't want a brush that is harsh or what. But then yeah, I use this at times. I know it's not the right tool, but then this is just me. Do what works for you, right? And then the next thing would be a string, not so thin. I use this to tie my hair whenever I'm making a high puff with my hair, or maybe I'm doing a style that needs me to tie back my hair. So I use this. It's quite thick in order to avoid breaking my hair. So this is what I use. It's quite stretchy. Having a stretchy cord, a stretchy material rather, would actually help you accommodate your hair so that you do not break it off, guys. You can use old ties to come up with this. I took this from a dress of mine that was a bit stretchy. So that's it for this. And then you also need bobby pins, guys. These are a staple for anyone who has natural hair. Bobby pins to pin your hair down helps you with styling and everything. These are like a must, a lifesaver, if I may say. I got this for, I think, $1 for 24 of this. They're going for $1, 24 for this. Yeah. And to help me keep these things, because I'm sure you can see that most of these are small, very small things. So to help me not lose them, especially with the bobby pins, guys, one moment you have 1,000 of them and the next moment you have nothing. So to help me keep these little things in place, I recycled this mayonnaise bottle here, Cross and Blackwell. Well, it's no longer for Cross and Blackwell mayonnaise. I use it to store my stuff, which is quite handy. I know that I don't have to lose anything, and I know that everything is safe. Whenever I want it, I can just reach out to my jar and then take out my stuff. So I think that's about it, guys. Let me know some other things that are in your natural hairstyling kit. I'd really like to learn. Oh, one thing, perm rods for those of you with longer hair. I have a set of perm rods somewhere here, but then my hair is quite short for that set, so I don't use it at the moment. But if you have longer hair, you can use perm rods for styling and whatnot. And yeah, I think that's just about it. Let me know what other things are in your styling kit for your natural hair. I'd like to also learn from you guys, and I'd also like to try out new things. And yeah, if you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscription button below. Join the family. Get your girl boss gang to join the family as well. And also, yeah, that's it for today. Don't forget to pray, ace, and slay always. Bye.